Hello children, today we are going to learn a new chapter in grammar and it is preposition. I know you can see the heading, topic of the chapter that we are going to learn today, and I hope you all are very happy and you all have a good time at home. Now shall we start? You are already familiar with the word preposition, but this year we are going to learn a bit more about the grammar parts preposition. Okay, so what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that helps us to understand where a noun or a pronoun is. Okay, it also helps us to link the nouns and pronouns and other sentences in a sentence. Okay, other words in a sentence. Now please take out your worksheet and I request you to not to copy the answers when the teacher is dictating the chapter. You will be getting the notes later on, so please listen in the class and refer your worksheet. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Prepositions. Prepositions are words that tell us where a person, place or thing is. They help to link nouns and pronouns with the other words in a sentence. So as I said earlier, prepositions are words that help us to understand where a noun or a pronoun is. It also helps us to link the noun and pronoun with the other words in a sentence. There is one example. Now we will move on. Please listen. Example is, the aeroplane was flying above the clouds. What is the noun here? Aeroplane and clouds. So where is this noun aeroplane? It is above the clouds. Understood? So where is the aeroplane? It is above. So what is the word above here? Above is the word that has helped us to understand where the noun aeroplane is. So above is the preposition. Now other examples of prepositions are with, in, under, below, beside, behind, to, from, at, on, around, along. Okay. With, in, under, below, beside, behind, to, from, at, on, around, along. These are some other examples of prepositions. Now you have one exercise. Underline the preposition in the given sentences. What is it? Underline the prepositions in the given sentences. You have to underline the preposition. The fairy turned the pumpkin into a beautiful coach. The fairy turned the pumpkin into a beautiful coach. Here pumpkin is the main noun, and what happened to that noun? It is turned into a beautiful coach. Okay, so what is into? Into is the preposition here. We all love to sit by the fire when it is very cold. We all love to sit by the fire when it is very cold. So we is the pronoun here. Where is we? What are they telling? They love to sit. Where? By the fire when it is very cold. So by is the preposition here. I have just received a card from my friend. I have just received a card from my friend. Card is the noun used here. There are other noun also, but card is the one which we want here. Card. From whom? From my friend. So from is the preposition. Preposition help us to understand where a noun is. So I got a card from whom? From a friend. So from is the word used as preposition here. Fourth one. Can you please tell me which train goes to Agra? Can you please tell me which train goes to Agra? Here preposition is to. That means the train is the noun and Agra is the other noun here. So where is the train? The train goes to Agra. So to is the preposition. Fifth one. Rahul Dravid was fielding near the batsman. The nouns are Rahul Dravid and the batsman. Okay, so where is Rahul Dravid? Rahul Dravid was fielding near the batsman. So where is Rahul Dravid? Near. So it helps us to, the word near helps us to understand where the noun is. Therefore, the word near is preposition in this sentence. Sixth one, how many children are there inside the bus? Here the nouns are children, bus. Okay, so where are the children? Children inside the bus. So they are inside. So the preposition helps us to understand where the children are. They are inside. Okay, so the word inside is the preposition here. Now moving on. Look at the picture and complete the proper preposition. What is the question? Look at the picture and complete the proper preposition. First one, the house is dash front of the mountain. Look at the picture now. The house is dash front of the mountain. Now when you look at the picture, you will understand the mountain is behind the house. So where is the house? The house is in front of the mountain. Okay. Second one, the chicks are walking dash the mother hen. The chicks are walking dash the mother hen. The chicks are walking behind the mother hen. Understood? Third one, the books are dash the side table. Okay, the books are dash the side table. So where are the books? The books are on the side table. Now fourth one, bees are flying dash the flower. It's a correction. It's not bus is flying. It is bees are flying dash the flower. You can write above or over. Above and over have the same meaning. So you can write above or over. Understood? Both have same meaning. So you have to use according to the sentence. So bees are flying over the flower or bees are flying above the flower. Fifth one, the children are playing dash the dog. Look at the picture. The children are playing dash the dog. They are playing with the dog. Okay. Yes. Now moving on, you have another exercise here. It is to write suitable preposition. Write suitable preposition. So there are examples given. Besides all the, after end of all the exercises, you have options given. You have to choose the correct preposition. So write suitable prepositions. A. Sally was sitting dash a tree in under. Where is Sally sitting? Where can she sit? In or under? Sally was sitting under a tree. Under a tree. B. School starts dash 8 o'clock. At in. School starts at 8 o'clock. C. I have a friend who lives dash Tokyo. On Tokyo, in Tokyo. So, I have a friend who lives in Tokyo. Yes. D. I bought a packet dash rice and a liter dash milk of from. It's about a noun, that is rice and milk. So packet, I bought a packet of rice and a liter of milk. E. I made this book for my mom. The book is made dash colorful papers as of. What is the book made of? I made this book for my mom. The book is made of colorful papers. Understood? Now F. You could knock the nails dash a hammer. For or with. You could knock the nails with a hammer. G. What is the answer dash the question? To from. From means it says about the place. Okay. So to means something else. So what is the answer dash the question? To or from. What is the answer to the question? Understood? Now Next is to fill in the blanks. You have to use your own preposition, use of preposition. So, fill in the blanks with a kind of preposition specified in the bracket. It's a kind of preposition mentioned in the bracket. So, you have to use it by yourself. A cat was sitting dash the roof of their car. So, place, what will you use? A cat was sitting on the roof of their car. B, the party starts dash 6 o'clock. Time. So, for time what do we use? We use at. Yes. We always wash our hands dash meals. Time. So, when do you wash your hands? Before meals and after meals. So, here we will use before meals. Okay. D, she ran dash from the dog because she was frightened. So, she ran from the dog, it says. So, what is the direction? She ran away from the dog because she was frightened. So, that's all about preposition. We will revise once again. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that help us to understand where a noun or a pronoun is. Okay. Understood? Yes. No. Please learn all the worksheets. Refer your worksheets and learn. And the teacher will be sending you the notes soon. So, you shall copy it very neatly and keep the worksheet very neat and tidy. Learn. You will be having tests. Okay. So, see you in the next class. Thank you, children.